Welcome. We will discuss greatest integer function and also we will discuss the decimal part of the function. Generally, by this symbol, we are representing greatest integer function. What it means? It means greatest integer in x not greater than x. Let us try to understand this one. So, box of 5. Here the greatest integer is 5, so it is equals to 5. Box of 5.1. Here also the greatest integer is 5, so it is 5. Box of 5.9. Then also the integral part is 5. Box of, now see, minus 5. It will be minus 5. Box of minus 5.4. Now this one is what? That is the important thing. This is not equals to minus 5 because minus 5 is greater than minus 5.4. Minus 5 is greater than minus 5.4. So it is not the greatest integer. So greatest integer will be minus 6. This minus 5 actually is annoying. Suppose if it is 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. This minus 5.4 is here and minus the right hand side it is greater, left hand side is smaller. So minus 5.4, if we are taking minus 5 will be greater than minus 5.4, so we have to take minus 6. So box of minus 5.4 equals to minus 6. So in this way, this is known as greatest integer function. Now we will discuss one more function that is called, actually in a number there are two parts. One part we are saying integral part, other part is called decimal part. When we are saying suppose 5.3, here decimal part is 0.3. For 5.3 to represent decimal part we are using another symbol. This symbol usually represents decimal part of x. So this one is 0.3. For 5.9 it will be 0.9 will be the decimal part. But for minus 5.4 what will be the decimal part? Here it is not 0.4. As we have shown, minus 5.4 equals to, its integral is minus 6. So minus 6 plus 0.6 gives us minus 5.4. Okay. So here decimal part will not be 0.4, decimal part will be 0.6. So in this way, this function is known as decimal part of x, and in this way, so this is the decimal of minus 5.4 equals to 0.6. So in general what we can say that x, any number, is equals to integral part of x plus decimal part of x. As we have seen in this case, minus 5.4 we can write as minus 6 plus 1 minus, I am showing in a different style, it will be easy to understand. We can write minus 5 minus 0.4. This one we can write as minus 6 plus 1 minus 0.4. That's why minus 6 plus 0.6. So here decimal part is minus 6 and integral part is minus 6 and decimal part is 0.6. So what we have to remember, the number, any number equals to its integral part plus decimal part. Hope I can able to explain what is this box function or greatest integer function and decimal function.